Meaning of edginess.
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 Edginess. Edginess refers to a state of feeling nervous, tense, and on edge. It is often associated with anxiety or a sense of unease that can lead people to feel on guard or at risk. When someone is experiencing edginess, they may find it difficult to relax or feel comfortable in social situations. They may also display signs of irritability, restlessness, or have trouble sleeping. Edginess can be triggered by a range of factors including stress, fear, or uncertainty about the future, and can vary in intensity from person to person.